So over here, you can see that I have a table, and let's say what I want is the average of the price listings that you see over here. So in that case, what you can do is to generate out the average by using SQL Query. You can go around and click on the create button and then go to query design. So over here, you can see SQL, which you can click on. So over here, I'm going to type in select, which is already there. So I'm just going to erase out the semicolon, and I'm going to type in AVG right here. So I'm just going to go around right here and type in the column name that I want to display. So I'm just going to go around over here and select out the price. So I'm just going to go around right here, select AVG from the column name, open up the bracket right here, type in price. So this is going to be where the data is coming from. So I'm going to type in price, close up the bracket right here, press enter, and I'm going to type in from capital letter right here and type in the name of the table that that I want to get the field from. So once I do that, what happens is that I can add in the semicolon right here. And if I were to go to query design and hit the run button, what happens is that you get the average for that particular data, as you can see right here. And that is how the average of the price that you see right here. What you can also do is average out the price per the condition as well. So let's say, for example, I just want to average out the prices for the advanced courses right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, onto view right here. And I'm going to go around over here onto create itself. Let's go to query design SQL. So over here, I'm going to add in a query over here where I'm going to apply a condition as well. So I'm just going to go around and say select AVG right here, open out the bracket and type in price just like this, and close the bracket right here, press enter. And now I'm going to go around and type in from right here. And once I do that, I need to select out the table right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in prices right here, just like this. And then over here, I'm going to add in a condition. So I'm going to say where, just like this. And I'm going to say skill is equal to advanced. So I'm just going to go around and say skill, which is going to be the field name off of which the a condition will be applied. So I'm going to press equals right here and add in a semicolon right here and type in, let's say, advanced, just like this. So once I do that and close this, I can add in the semicolon again right here, close this out, and I'm going to go to query design and hit run. And now what happens is that it'll take the data from the advanced skill level right here. Like it took 363 and it took 897. And over here, you can see this is the average result by combining those two datas. And that is how you can use the average syntax inside of MS Access using SQL Query. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.